guys, and welcome on today's video where we're going to discuss about case statement, and we're going to do it through an example around useful case that a DevOps engineer have to have. So without wasting time, let's go.
So let's jump on the script that I pre-write. So on the top we have our shebang and all the description and information about our script. And let's start our script. On the first line, we're gonna have echo what is the most useful skill as a DevOps engineer, since the description is case statement on essential skills of DevOps engineer. Okay. Echo 1 is going to be Linux, Echo 2 Docker, Echo 3 Ansible, Echo 4 Terraform, Echo 5 Kubernetes, Echo 6 Cloud, and after that we're going to proceed with read skills, case, $sign case in, and we're going to list all our messages accordingly of the number that are going to be chosen. If you are choosing number 1, you have this message and you have the 2 semicolon at the end. We have the 2 semicolon at the end of each message. Okay, only the last option is not going to have a double semicolon at the end. So 6 AWS is the leader of cloud computing, and the last option is echo. You didn't enter the appropriate choice since you have only 6 options. If somebody or if someone chose or is choosing something that is different of the 6 proposition that we have, we're just going to display the last option, and we're going to start it with the stars, which means everything else display that message echo you didn't enter the appropriate choice. Okay, so that should be it. We're going to register it quickly and see how the things work. Always make sure to verify if your script is okay before to save it. So we're going to try to make our script executable first. It's the case /statement .sh script. So let's run the chmod command +x on case /statement .sh file. There you go. Right now we should be good to execute our script through /case statement.sh. What is the most useful skill as a DevOps engineer? 1 Linux, 2 Docker, 3 Ansible, 4 Terraform, 5 Kubernetes, 6 Cloud. I'm going to make the number 5 choice, Kubernetes. Case statement sh line 30, syntax error. So always read your standard error output in order to be troubleshooting and find the issues quickly. So we know that our error is around line 30. So we're going to review our script, and I'm going to run the setu command setu command in order to display the number of my lines in Vim. Okay, so 27 is my last line, and the error is around line 30. That means that something missed on the last line, and is ESAC. This is a requirement on a case statement in order to make it work. So I kept that error volunteer because I would like to attract yourself on that kind of error that can happen sometime. So right now I'm going to run my script again, and everything should be perfect. So I'm going to choose Kubernetes. For me, Kubernetes is the best one. It's the king. Kubernetes, also known as KXS or Kube, is an open source container orchestration platform for scheduling and automating the deployment, management, and scaling of containerized applications. Awesome. Let's run our script again and make another choice. Let's choose something else right now. One, Linux. And the Linux system is useful since the first step. So since the first step on your journey as a DevOps engineer, you have to start with Linux. That's why we started with it. And now I'm choosing 11, and you see, you didn't enter the appropriate choice.
Thank you for watching to the end. I really appreciate your presence here, and I would like to invite you once again to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share this video with all your people that need to learn more about Linux and DevOps skills. Thank you and see you. Bye.